How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another Ethereum update. Hopefully you're having a good start to this new week. We're seeing ETH reversing, coming back above this key level of support here, which is 3.8k. And there's now also been a recovery of the 100 moving average. I made a little box between those 2 points at the end of last week, suggesting that is exactly where Ethereum needed to turn around. Now, we actually saw a loss of the 100 EMA. So the risk was that we're going to see an attempt at this key area of support and see whether the bulls will protect it or not. I drew a path on Friday that Ethereum needs to go on to get itself back on the bullish path in the immediate short term, expecting new all-time highs. And so ETH needed to have reversed before losing this 200 EMA here, and then eventually recovering this key level of resistance. So let me just remove these drawings. By doing so, you're creating some bullish patterns. So right over here, we've got the formation of a bullish double bottom at the moment. The risk is, of course, like we saw last time, we're just going to test this as resistance before continuation lower. This support has stepped in to give it one last chance to recover that level. Otherwise, it will actually continue lower if this fails. So we can see this now as a double bottom neckline, and we also have the moving averages sitting exactly there, showing that by breaking through the moving averages, the market flips into a bullish market once again. So that would also recover the range low that was lost, of course. When we had this scenario and it dumped to the 100 EMA, you really want to see the move back up to the range high. And then once you see a rejection from there, weakening it, you want to see the range low hold. And that would be used as the pivot point to then break through the range high. Unfortunately, we can see it was turned into resistance here. But due to not getting that continuation lower and getting a bounce from this area, you have one last opportunity to invalidate this further move down by recovering the lost range low and heading back to the range highs. Now, my strategy with the Fibonacci would suggest that on the break of this level, I'm going to expect a new all-time high and 5.8k as my next technical target. If you wanted to learn my strategy, use the links down below. Take action on this 30% discount while it lasts until Friday the 7th of November. This can be applied to my Discord, ebook, or one-to-one mentorship plans. So check them out and I'll see you over there.